In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Just Dance on Nintendo Switch. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Just Dance is available on various different platforms, including Nintendo Switch, both the original console and the newly released Nintendo Switch 2. All that you have to do is to purchase any Just Dance game available. So I'm gonna teach you how to do this through the website, but you can absolutely follow along by going to the eShop directly on your console, or if you prefer, you can look for physical copies of the game on online retailers or physical ones. When you look for Just Dance, you will find a bunch of editions and games. So they will have games referring to each year. It seems like the lowest here on this display is Just Dance 2023. They are going to have Just Dance 2024, 2025, and it seems like 2026 already has a store page, so it is going to release on October 14th of this year. There's also this free Just Dance. So if you don't want to pay money, this could be a consideration. As you can see, there are 2 songs from Just Dance 2025 for free. So if you aren't sure if you are willing to spend money and you just want to try it out for a bit, this is the perfect opportunity to do so. Alternatively, just choose any of these editions here, 2024, 2025, and you will be able to play. Each game will have a different track list, different characters, a different universe, so make sure that you go through some reviews. You can see screenshots, you can compete with your friends, set up high scores, and you will be able to buy the game digitally. So follow this through the eShop or the website and purchase the game for your account. After you do so, you can download it directly on your console. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.